Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking to make all of your Microsoft Excel spreadsheets in a different orientation, if you want to move it from landscape to portrait, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to do all this. So let's dive in. So what I've got here is a spreadsheet, and what you want to do is go up to your ribbon and look for page layout. Now there's two ways of doing this. You can do this here. You can click on orientation and you can see that my current layout is in landscape. But if you click on portrait, you will actually see that it will change. There are some ruler lines here, and this is the indication of the end of the page. And this line is an indication for the end of the page on this side. So if you change that orientation, you'll see that the ruler lines are in a different position. So that's where the ruler line is for the end of the page on that side and that side. So each line represents the end of the page. What else we can do here is go over to File and go to Print, and here you can actually change the orientation. So this is what it will look like when it gets printed, and if you want it in portrait orientation, this is what it will look like when it is printed. So here you can use these guides to make sure that if you're sending or printing a document, it'll come out looking the way you want it to. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time, people. Peace out.